how did you discover Dave? Was it just through readings that you were doing, and were you reading journal articles in your sophomore year through assignments, or was it more of, I want to learn as much as possible about sharks, so I'm just going to do my own reading?
It was the latter for sure. Yeah, so I definitely, I guess, I mean, this is a really good question. I think I know what I wanted at the time and then sought out who I thought would be the best, person and mentor for that. And so with life histories, I definitely did a lot of reading, was very familiar with the Moss Landing website, contacted Dave, read his papers, and same with Dolby, and just being in the field, I feel like, and, the shark world's not very large. I knew of Nick Dolby, and, I'd been to his talks. Like Dave said, he came to give a seminar. And so I was pretty familiar with his work, and then also talking to his students, what working with him was like and what kind of projects they were working on. And so I just felt like that, again, just like Moss Landing was a great fit.
You just don't see that a lot in students, that extra effort, especially in a sophomore undergrad year, like maybe in the graduate where you tend to meet more professors and from different schools, just from coming from seminars and stuff. That happened at my school all the time when I did my master's, but that, I don't know if I would have had that foresight at the beginning to go and do those extra readings and so forth, especially when you had your athletic, sort of responsibilities, plus sort of your regular marine biology homework, which was, I'm sure, a lot. And then you go on and do all this reading. So it just go right off the bat, it shows that you had a passion.
Sharks are cool.
Right off the bat. Yeah, they definitely are.
Yeah. Well, I think a key thing you said there, and any students listening to this episode, the takeaway is that you did your research, you did your homework, because a lot of people like myself and some of the other people, Chris Lowe and others we've had on the show, we get literally 100 people interested in coming to the lab, and you tease them down like, okay, who actually really is read up and has an idea where they want to go? Because just saying you want to study sharks or something, or putting out some kind of a boilerplate statement, is not going to really get your attention. The fact that you had read some of the stuff and you had a very clear idea where you wanted to go, that helped a lot. That tells me or any other potential faculty what you want to, gives a very clear idea of what you want to do. And that sets you apart. That's how you kind of rise above the other 99 people that might be applying.